We're at SunMed Growers in Warwick, Maryland. They were setting the company up as a licensed medical marijuana grower. The conversation turned really quickly to how are we going to package this stuff? How do we put labels on this? They have to put a lot of information in a small area and it has to be compliant. In the beginning, all of the label printing was done by Jordan and her small team.
I had to print all the labels beforehand, and then we had 2 applicators for our containers.
And then they were delivered out to the floor to be manually or semi-automatically applied.
For the first few months, we had to hand roll the sticker on there. It was a nightmare.
In any manufacturing process, in any industry, the more handling you have, the more errors you have, the more coordination that's necessary. It prompted some changes in packaging, and the minute the packaging changes, it creates a lot of complexity around label printing, and it changed everything. This is a product that prints and applies labels on demand in color. And it's really set up for next label out, which means that every label could be different. There's the printing application, right? You have to print. What we did though is we married that up with a delivery unit where the label, after it's printed, can sit and wait for the integration with the robot. And then you have this 6-axis robot, also an Epson product, that picks up that label and applies it to a container. The robot is making micro adjustments based on that placement that it sees on our delivery platform, and then applying that to the label. And once that container meets it, it goes through a traditional wrapping station where the label is wrapped around the circular container.
Risk of error is much, much smaller, and it takes 2 seconds to send the labels to the machine. It definitely cuts the packaging time probably in half. It just means more sales, more volume able to go out the door. I would recommend the Epson Print and Apply program to anybody. It's leaps and bounds ahead of where we started.